When it comes to office printing, there are some old inkjet myths that are easily debunked. With Epson inkjet printers, you will always get the facts. The first myth most people believe is that inkjet printing technology is for home use only, and not for high-volume printing business environments. Well, the fact of the matter is that Epson inkjet printers boast high performance. With over 40 years of expertise, Epson has evolved its focus towards business use, and our printers are powered by Epson's precision core printing technology, delivering incredible performance and image quality. From our industrial digital label presses to our retail inkjet printers, the precision core print chip is at the core of virtually all of Epson's printing solutions. Another myth to clear is that inkjet printheads usually clog or just dry out. But the fact is, Epson produces over 15 million printers every year, with printheads designed to last the life of the printer for high reliability. And yes, other inkjet technologies are not the same as Epson inkjet technology. But you can count on Epson printheads to be heat-free, low maintenance, and not requiring periodic replacement. Yet another myth is that inkjet printers require more maintenance. The reality is that Epson inkjet printers are engineered for reliability. Office printers like the Epson Workforce Enterprise AM series can produce up to 3 times more printed pages. The desktop printer models can produce up to 6 times more printed pages before a service visit versus comparable laser printers. Yet another old myth out there is that inkjet prints will smear. The fact is that Epson's DuraBrite Pro ink is fast-drying and water-resistant. The inks were designed for high-speed printing that you can touch right out of the printer. And lastly, another myth that persists in workplaces everywhere is that inkjet print quality is inferior to laser print quality. Well, in reality, Epson inkjet printers are known around the world for their quality. Epson continues to improve its pigment inks to constantly deliver the high-quality printing required by businesses everywhere. Precision core printhead technology produces up to 40 million precise dots per second with astonishing ink placement accuracy, delivering laser-sharp black text and vivid color. There's a reason why Epson inkjet printers are found in many large-scale and small businesses. Epson inkjet business printers deliver. For more information, please visit epson.com/office-printers.